What's up, guys? Josh Landis, SoCo Customs, coming to you with a huge announcement. SoCo Customs is now the exclusive Colorado Springs dealer for Fury off-road tires. And for those out there that are not familiar with Fury Tire, they're one of the tire suppliers for some of the baddest builds that you see at SEMA. One of their most popular tire sizes is a 42 by 15.5 26-inch wheel. And one of these sick builds that these guys have done for SEMA is going to be featured on the cover of Diesel World magazine. Hey guys, and if that's not enough for you, here at SoCo Customs, the first 5 people that order a set of Fury tires with us, you're gonna get a full install. That includes TPMS, rebuilds, everything, installed, balanced on our Road Force balancer here, completely free. We can't wait to see you down here. Come check out the whole line of Fury tires and what Fury has to offer for you and your vehicle, or maybe one of your builds upcoming. Be one of them first 5. You can't beat free install. And hey, hit the subscribe button, give us a like. Later.